Load your family into the 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.